Now, the Delhi government, in its efforts to prepare itself for a possible third wave of COVID, has arranged for oxygen cylinders in Delhi's Mayapuri Oxygen Depot area. This will house at least 6,000 oxygen cylinders, which have been imported from China. About a month ago, there was a massive outcry and several precious lives lost due to the oxygen emergency. But these efforts are being put in place by the government to ensure that there is enough supply. Shonakshi reports.
I come to you from an oxygen plant in Delhi's Mayapuri area. Now, in order to brace themselves for the third wave of the deadly coronavirus, the Delhi government has imported at least 6,000 oxygen cylinders, and 2,000 of which are here at this particular oxygen plant. As you can see, this oxygen cylinder here, a capacity of about 40 to 41 liters, also contributed by organizations like HCL and Give India. The Delhi government has to ensure that it is well prepared for an oxygen emergency if a situation of such arises in the coming months and the weeks. These oxygen cylinders are going to save lives. And joining me right now is Mr. Abhishek from this oxygen plant, the co-owner of this oxygen plant, to tell us a little bit more about this. Tell us a little bit about so many oxygen cylinders being placed by the Delhi government here in order to be prepared for the third wave of the deadly virus.
These cylinders are being imported by the government of India, and these are being stored in our premises just to take care of any emergency situation in case if it arises. So government is all geared up and prepared for an unfortunate event if in case it happens.
Tell us a little bit about these oxygen cylinders, the capacity, or इसमें क्या one can know about these. How many of them are here?
Ma'am, we have approximately 2,000 cylinders right now in our premises, and these are approximately of 40 liters water capacity. And these are brand new cylinders. All of them are filled with the oxygen, and these can be used right away.
And what about the oxygen plant here? I can see there's a storage, a huge.
Yeah, we have.
What is the capacity of that?
We have a capacity of 21 metric tons.
Right.
In fact, we have converted one of our nitrogen tank for the emergency situation into medical oxygen with the approval from the departments and all. So at present, the storage capacity in my plant is more than 30 metric tons. The stock, like our tanks are completely full, and we are getting oxygen on daily basis, and whatever the requirement is there, we are able to meet that at the most. जितना भी.
So situation थोड़ा improve हुआ है?
Situation is well in control now, and we are also much relaxed.
With camera person Sushil Rathi in Delhi, Shonakshi Chakravarti for NDTV.